for high Gyamfi news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot enkwa eramede bremo na ansana ensebni nyina bebano. So when you subscribe ya bomori ya se over subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufro so na when you be here na wo ensemwa ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi yenhwe eye ensemwa abeto yepono so inti eye sankobo ya ekoso mama yenti
ya mwakwaba
bibia boko
da badi na se busa fo to say
omo ya pa
office so
kakra
very well, happy to have you on my platform.
Thank you,
fantastic.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
And I want to mean our opportunity to listen to Attorney General.
Yes, Dr. Dominica Ayine.
Yes,
me tie part ne ehia me well me nkase ne fortunately part na me tie ne Ofori Atta de no.
No na open.
Say nyoma no do so ba na sisi a me di mu akotene pa nti ye pa say o say Monday na ye
bring you say
say no Attorney General be ma update ama program you cry the right way. Yeah, so for Atta side na me tie na me reho because the entire make us
as a citizen of Ghana, as a lawyer, and
no, as a citizen,
you are not happy.
No, at all. Because the more I can Ofori Atta case, then the more every imagine could see near the bedrew her. I say you bedrew her. And me say, Kissi Agyapong
somewhere.
Yes, Kissi Agyapong no more Ofori Atta journey. O say Ofori Atta be journey kratana or trokoma from Opari. Outgoing chief of staff and current chief of staff no unya copy tio Mugabe also unya copy it when say if we have to actually say maybe too quiet me kwa same ho yare then also person excellent also person watching no but you were powerless e ho na what me say special proceed powerless him fa na okoye e na okoye immigration o mo amboa no okoye national security o mo amboa no obwa national security me mature crata command national security say answer no Ofori Atta be too kwan Kissi Agyapong ba ho say omomoa no man nchi Ofori Atta na omo si dey bi o say NIB and your former BNI and so mature letter call and so muyi ma no ntimi kwa 2 letters
response
no 2 letters omo say Debbie
yes o be say you more
yes
part Attorney General e kan e na Jubilee House
perfect
accountability series well production team mo ya memmoa na mo ma me sankasa video no and then ye call so Jubilee House accountability series Dominic Ayine Doctor Attorney General yenti no
initiate extradition proceedings for Kennedy Ofori Atta and NS Darko Akore from the United States of America. Following a preliminary review, our International Cooperation Unit observed that certain aspects of the request require clarification and enhancements to align with the applicable legal and procedural requirements. We communicated these observations to the Office of the Special Prosecutor via a letter dated 25th November 2025 and requested supplementary documentation to ensure completeness. On December 9th, 2025, the Office of the Special Prosecutor provided a requested additional documentation and addressed the observations that we raised, thereby finalizing the extradition request packages. Subsequently, on December 10, 2025, my office transmitted the complete request to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for onward transmission to the competent authorities in the United States of America. That is, in this case, the Department of Justice of the United States. We communicated these observations to the Office of the Special Prosecutor via a letter dated 25th November 2025 and requested supplementary documentation to ensure completeness. On December 9th, 2025, the Office of the Special Prosecutor provided a requested additional documentation and addressed the observations that we raised, thereby finalizing the extradition request packages. Subsequently, on December 10, 2025, my office transmitted the complete request to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for onward transmission to the competent authorities in the United States of America. That is, in this case, the Department of Justice of the United States. At this point, it is left to the American authorities, especially the judicial authorities, to make a determination on whether a sufficient basis exists for the two accused persons to be extradited to Ghana to stand trial. And because the matters have already been filed, right, and I just got to know, that he has hired some of the top, yesterday I got to know that he has hired some of the top lawyers in the United States of America, very experienced lawyers, to, defend him. Now, I'm not afraid at all, all right? I am not afraid at all. But it means that there's going to be a fight in the federal courts in the U.S. If the district court says no, he will go to the circuit court, all right? If the circuit court says no, he's entitled to go to the U.S. Supreme Court to fight his case. So I cannot tell you that he will come tomorrow or he will come the next day, okay? And I'm just being honest. Accounting to the people means being explicit and truthful. So this is what, we are faced with.
It's a serious statement. Lawyer Martin Pegbo, platform the audio, over to you. Ghana for you show, Ghana for you.
Perfect. Nti asema me kana no what in ira attorney general ka. I say wa high na just wa kofa lawyer say kuku dam. Lawyer say kuku dam etuesika bet experience and top notch. That's a top notch. It doesn't come free. It doesn't come cheap. It doesn't come easy. So the simple question is that Uncle Ofori Atta person obekrum ha. I don't know kofa lawyers. And as a butchery, kwa anye ovisa. Enye play na okofa. Na oko. Inti oba. Say the same thing. No akofu play no aba. I don't know if it is a brefia. We say okofa top lawyers to defend. You see, and that's the Attorney General's ways to defend. It's like I say. Also oma. It's like I say. Obe cook case no hosa. Obe defend the case. Say a man so. Je na Attorney General can so. Omo de koma. Krum ho you omo de akoma US Attorney General, that's the Justice Department. Into omo fi ho na omo here omo
Ghana ni ana we American citizen.
For now no you say oda ho ye Ghana ni, but open krata wo ho say some weeks ago, almost 3-4 weeks ago, me to just say me nya ntie say ne ba file amano on say the man wo America nti ba kwa file amano ne ba be man na file amano say be obeka America ho nti opepe permanent residence card. Say no na obedi kaje then ichire ansan we nya citizenship. So the fact say we kutue sika wa fa lawyers kuku dam. Yes, and ichire say onya mai because anko beba anka onkutue sika ma lawyers. I na kwa kutue sika ma lawyers. Abra or America dey enko bi da. Say America oba no say obefa passport. Na ukura u ticket. Wa kwotena plane no aba. But yes, it brief now see they be okofa lawyers near nature say or kutrim and I do so kasi or trim or ho or money they should litigate. It takes years. Yeah, it takes years. Yes.
Speaking as
yes. On I say extradition, you did there's one be yes. A British guy and now or by Ghana by our laws we're saying say Ukumubi. Into Yamfa na on the Sunday trial. It took years. Near report near the Koma. Or my number because no say Ghana prisons near conditions in the prisons near. It is it is a fight. It's a complex fight. Where I sit no. Okay, be Ofori Atta person ba. Na ebi osu say ye be che no ye money bill ne sa anyeme ya anka we woni eno enye de o ka kire President Akufo mo ne even President Akufo Addo Nebukadnezar no they can talk to Aban
Akufo Addo say
Nebukadnezar ni trimu odre ade Akufo Addo de ye okrum ha ye woni de ye ubio masa ye brave
lawyer Martin
DDP o say there will be no haircut
e twa
feel ye mamu ma e sakura ne ni pentua ni edi shey enye apostle cry Akufo tie hwamo do too much right into me feel say to be to be fair no anka bail no usuro keke I'm sure say if you on anka sample efre President Mahama ni yise mpacho me pese me ba mo nchimi ntu me pe bail anka bail keke no pe safety ni ya anka no ohia obi se obi meka mano kono anka safre ana odidua Akufo Addo ne President Akufo ombe ti they can negotiate those things for you. Exactly. Until the fact say one friend dua samping you fu so akofa lawyers so na che so person be ba so no animboni awedi. Hey, animboni awedi.
Penyin ni fia na.
Excellent. Animboni awedi.
So ni penyin bie.
Excellent. Yes. Into animboni awedi pa. Intina oh yes anime internet che say oh bogo slow sa o de fa ha no de ato ha o de fa no de ato ha o de fa form no so de afa
so better ni be do at this stage
say Kissi Agyaben na me kan Kissi Agyaben no me catch you me count na say na me nim say o di bonisa me nim o say
madam for
but say madam for na afi me so madam for o say o mine na eni kwan say me ka say madam for nti on say o mine no dey be o say dey dey sa Emma Kissi Agyaben so free konya no so kodi also ko ekwan bia so number 1 charge ni subu a me de boy say wa ma Ofori Atta adwane ono ane ka say ohun krata no o say Ofori Atta case say da ne so ye enim 5 nti we say na wo so obi sa no also kosa ne ho yare Gabby unim say me nya doctor, I'm a reasonable person,
understand
oba kono na oka se okosa ne ho yare oba chino no ebisa no why hwehwemu now they are doctors in some Ofori Atta edimu ana if edimu a ene de eben say oh 5 cases ene mayen bail e their first case 100 million oba ma hu bail 100 million second case 30 million no who be me na anti one say me yakwache me no e hwa ojibe me dan krata maduna shishi
wa for
within 20 minutes na
so ko bana mana investigate
exactly na so dey didi matem me o say me fa me dan mu a fa dan mu a krata bra and me dey kwa shishi that's the law so Ofori Atta onumom
the law is the law
exactly onumom a wo na wo so we di boni we di esika or corrupt or this no all kono fala o mane koye wanje simpwa anateku simpwa anateku wanje te hona to say Kissi Agyaben o sheda so no ano omo de ne ba say o me place again bi nti obe k so
ken kwa
ken kwa eno ano no e bia no fi say ya dwumu ye ha ye hu I don't know why he thought
you're smart.
Exactly. I think why yes you say he is rather not exactly to another one. Because how Ofori Atta to free come ha without bail. On chino my master me na me day.
Special prosecutor and to me you know buying now can for I work MB before na do na appoint you know. So we be a one at the appointing authority. We be to myself kwase was a question hunipa. Ya we any finance minister.
Excellent. And ka person we adwuma utimi ye. Onu Kissi Agyaben no wa ye adwuma mo Ofori Atta pen. Wa ye adwuma nti Ofori Atta and the client. Sans na Kissi Agyaben. Yes, oh yes, this is there. Kissi Agyaben wa ye adwuma mo Ofori Atta. Ofori Atta and the client.
Sans
yes. Sans na Kissi Agyaben mo ye adwuma ma gabby otchere darko president nua. Na say gabby mu na de ne bae say on metna na on born soft nti obeye kenken o say first no ya na yes we aboagim say hey na afi o mafa ho edi na
tunu di asema Ken Ofori Atta.
Oh yes Kissi represented Ken Ofori Atta. Oh yes he's not denying it
in the public domain.
Yeah Kissi worked for Ken Ofori Atta. I say make us ask him if we can atrank or the
no you have that credibility.
Yes Gabby Kuradi and obo internet Gabby Kissi Agyaben is lawyer for Gabby otchere darko ebe yaba obo say or dey say ma court amano ne insensem nti omo said that na say ye Kissi say exactly omo yi me say at the time ye Kissi Agyaben say we be this special prosecutor no only the best lawyer they be no lawyer kuma make us a lawyer kuma masa na nimfie na akọ kakra I think at that time about 18 years but nimfie keke on say work experience now say we say graduate me school so 7 years ko not if you only adwuma ni by ban say that been na we school obeka say 7 years ago
to how many years standing
men were 18. But my son say at the time now, Kissi Kono, he was around 18, 4 years ago then. But now the experience, now Kissi said that
high profile case.
Kissi now Kissi can lawyers a cuckoo dam who crum high. No, can make it so. The main case, oh yeah, I couldn't mean Kakre, no crown now with the Dr. Ayini. So only Dr. Ayini, Attorney General. Yes, into Tago case, no. Tago case narcotics, so and then Kissi highest case but no crown no di Dr. Ayini but ne say we bisa say Kissi we best case Supreme Court like be a lawyer for kukudam court we bisa on the record that there no Kissi there and say me there o ma kwa I mean, I didn't come here to talk about myself, but you know, Obomidia, Obete Martin, Pebu number 1, so I could do number 4, and many other. But in Yemi, or Nona, we could do a analysis. I say, me case, Kuramen, Kome, Kurana, I can say criticize, say, yes, meaning say, lawyer for Kukudamo, Gyamfi more because Omunye Akufo Addo, Nini and down for. No, me Nkrofo you be exactly. Iti me partners a family and friends iti me the mark Kissi. But yes say you control exams as lawyers and no top pay and I say even with that no na Ghana on na odi mu pa say any other na Kissi on shada market the experience in court here limited me na make and I say me dey bia e ho na ye di agro iti wo mu mpanyimfo no oti we say isi ba ha ti say what you said that you're sorry ba you say exactly exactly what you say is ankume ba osafu buaben kizito be you there are those stalwarts remember pa Kissi no can I feel what can lawyer papa yeah those is Marietta your ba first no share oni ace power court ni ate o say woman bi wo ho no otimi ace
is ankoma
yes that was the abako semblance say Marietta no otimi ace that crow oni ace court na obi a free say bra be hwe Marietta exactly that's the thing Kissi rules our level no nka ho bi me na make opa o na me challenge say me de bia ho ne enam now share my side the price I caught the finance as a mintimate sama the crowd. It be a Monday to Friday holy and no can who say yeah fan lawyers a kukudama is your kuku for football near the friend no and I'm pass or better exactly a passing and I'm pass or the it's me at Nahama. Ufuriata 5 cases.
Asa kanya wanu 5 cases. Ufuriata issue maybe a do SML nene akeka wo say ki ehun di wo mana.
Kai masa when Ken kwa uni ye say December 2023 na Manasseh Mode case no command no wanya hwehwehwemu 2023 December into December to aba ye to aba into December no kro ye wo the whole of 2024 wanya wo adwuma or the share ho boko no your friend suppression cases bi wo ho or tisu sao enya SML we ku ameka se me bebo cases na what not na so amasa ye nwie ne oh Kissi record ya nya unu se me yi menim say onko na eku evidence amiku enya no kwa
more personal issues
they personal me they has no personal matters Ghana kind na mepe say me na me budget so yes na me say yes o sheda a lawyer kukudan bi menim ba na me say dia adwuma no say ono na o mampenye favor no nti ye ma me support. Yes, because advocacy will be a way keke. That's why it requires. It doesn't require say ningina no na obehu ningina. Enya maybe unima say o sheda onye lawyer kukudam sa nti no say ube bisa. So based on that, na just say o akoma pa na person di no kra obetimi. No unim ningina nti na ban we sika no say kofa lawyer kukudam no mboa. So based on that, you could have done it. But what should I say? Obebamomusa kukwasa cases are what net na so what bogo slow. Masa also
in this current administration.
Yes. No, that's just say MPP cases no. Say elections near into the other party all these cases in here. Na e ken kwa o. Oh, Kissi. Nina na ken kwa. O said that no ye na Ghana phone say if you say akwano why crado obey na or they are swerving. Exactly. Kissi other bad case no SML no many other cases MLA cases na ono oye lawyer for some of the parties.
Friends
Esojama former MP no Aremeyaw friends
Kofi Ameyaw
that case be no onu Kissi no ka hu be representative bi mu oba no na watena cases are watena so masa me say ye kasi ye kan na officer dey ntina me yi menim so onko because me no kra na me kan you obi na aka ahye me nti e was me kan no kra me wasem ye da me bi ma debi sa de no say o man yi o man ha no yesa ye said that no so sa nti obi ball pa enche obi behu exactly nti me obi na bomb pa me say me didi nyem na chi me say Ofori Atta case you say de bia no na around October 20th na me meet ade ne tifri me ni so say na Kissi o say say utimi tena ha e ma Ofori Atta
ono na kan
Satan no be kan Obama you know human beings we are spirit
sometimes
confession ba around 4th or so November because KSNDP 5th November. Let's say we interview a day or two earlier. Okay. But me by October 20th, we say they be a case now by a number of times. You say many people were saying Osheda there's collusion, and I'm so me a lawyer intimate me in casa become a cockeye because we mean but by October 20th, no, so that my interview CTFM, and I'm say now if you mean na sukra say Osheda, but there is a part be actually so incompetent. And me say inti a friend say the dano say na for over 1 year inti analysis ma me di hu it was a confession there by say shasi say ye de nature no abetu no mutu kasa ampa ohu but by October confession here as I said by out 5th November but by October 20th no clear to me say na Kissi pa say na unya case December 2023 so the whole of 2024 say na at the time of Ofori Atta January 2025 we see there we hwehwe mu no enwendru Ofori Atta ho so for 1 year yes I know corruption cases can be complex but not this case not the whole case. Some parts are easy because here Kuranu now ya JD and then KPMG report. It was clear that Ofori Atta will burn case no until the whole year 2024 12 months with the KPMG crowd how many weeks more investigations every year with the whole year still abra na Ofori Atta in January 2025 now the whole bond case no I'm saying no matter we are incompetent
nti wutie a statement free a Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayeni aso e free a Jubilee House in the or accountability series GDB o mo se ken obeba ye betimi da
master well say we your man ba pa obeka say yes GD o ho ba na maka say but practically no you see okotue sika wafa lawyers say kukudam so they are not coming to play nti ama yes emotionally no GDA but enkusi da ben because it's going to be a tough fight say nye Dominic ayi no course here nyo no ma Ofori Atta
say obi di boni no na say odi o man ni sika no dwane kwahye ba bia na afi odi ekokọ say mra ne ntwuma so
enu nti ama case no me say nya ayi ne for they this one dey oboa me achi na ba but Kissi na ama Ofori Atta dwan Kissi ne mpanyimfo obeti de bia nso na Sammy dako bigina no okika or rationalize it because there is a tape ye can say me first ye ka say ye try in absentia ni nyina Sammy dako bigina TV so ka say abra no Ofori Atta kono ene enesakori omo kono omunyina no nim say case edomuso till January this year Sammy dako na ne kan TV3 say me Saturday mornings me take key points key points no be kan or say and many other stations or say abra no Ofori Atta ene sakoro mu free Ghana no nim say there were cases against them case damuso nti na chere say monya hwehwemu no because anka moya hwehwemu na anka ba den no my invite you nti moya invite you so the point I make is say Kissi ne na panful bi and then Albert Akugu this Sammy dako there be omuni Kissi ombeko pa omuni Kissi beko because yampini say me the petition akoto order that for Kissi's removal.
Your response.
There be no say the mrane chere no
say Kissi na nkwa ana say petition or the call you know what you say
for omo nyina omo me say at least Sammy darko no ho bon me nko details na anko omo say we no mrane enchichire but I'll just wait for the process to go through. Yes, last Thursday na me the call but
last week Thursday.
Yes.
Any week.
Yes. Last week Thursday me the call and Mrani switch
Thursday, so is that a week?
Yes, a week ago. It's 8 days. But Mrani say what the qua 7 days no. Omampini latest, let's say from that very day or latest by 7 days time no. Omampini emfa petition on come Chief Justice. Mejidi say the latest was yesterday, Wednesday. So man fan last week Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Latest yesterday. Internet say nadia by law no petition na koka Chief Justice nsa. Inti Chief Justice or 30 days say on fanye nhwemu. Enyema ni bi oha obi bisa Kissi say onye anu na wabeye prima facie na say explaining it in tree na say ohwe say case no abawom and I say waste of time a foolish case me bompa is on case a foolish case because enyema do doso no kra no my summary me kra sisi ano me hwe na e bia my second
say yinyina so enyino no makuma question
16
16.
Yeah, 16. Oh, ebi kra na ewe chiri kra na doso. Yes.
Lawyer Martin people.
Yes.
Why wadam for Kissi Agyapong?
Yes.
Na montamu te say answer no be special prosecutor.
Oh, normal, like we are colleagues and friends. Someone say obi a learned friend. Na ye no ye ba university. Na those days so di menim 1 year. Remember Lagos 98. But no di menim 1 year. Either he came the same year and I said the year before, but no, the minimum 1 year. We're in the same hall, Equafu Hall. So normal, hello, hi, near you know. It's no a legal secretary. It will be DJCR president. By all means, there will be interactions, and then I came to law school, all those law faculty. So now we've known each other a little bit. Almost 27 years. And yeah, madam for body bounce here because it's a small. And they say they cry their friend. They be born only the share like a few times you meet in court and I'm share law faculty and now a brand you hall students no. Okay, so those days we say because campus say you were the same hall this is Mushia hello hi say so in all for about 27. Yes we're in the same hall of rest Equafu Hall.
Okay. No that's right now that from
Bogari
lawyer Martin people there dey joke about the live voice live on TVS was it no so on power 97.9 FM. You bet me move and I work crowd be come one after ni yonko eye otumfo eye Asante Bediatuo. Wo bibi kakra salon eye
okay nti ne me wo kafa ho ni se na se medical aka se ne hia e pan se obesori free kunya no so oni Sammy darko ene akurugu on se Kevin Taylor on se Kevin Taylor e ka o masem Kevin Taylor so boom nti so like it tells you say enkuyi wo ho nti so moko na mi e ka ho na ne to so mi no I say Ghana for me srepa say enchi bia no I say ye demonstration ne ko US embassy oh ne I say ye say yes ana America for be hu say ye ni ate ye hu say extradition no enye street enye better sa but omo no mo ka say omo de ne beba nti o say ye o ye kire kakra
nti fa lawyer dey say emuni baby o
exactly
somewhere o call the address na call
perfect nti ye o ye kire ko US embassy o hana o be say any asem no Ghana fo ati ase ye ye jana akwati say lawyer fo munko amunka na yi na eno exactly but mu say amafa no maka o say ye Mugabe na on say so ya de pa in this so tell o say so ya sene ni ye because that's the perfect that's the language because America for mu say nipa 1000 kura e be gina ho yes omo me ye embassy bibia krom be me akon but e che say then they be yes say ya America konti ye basa
World Cup.
Exactly. But the whole idea is say nipa pie ba bontino mu pictures na omo de bekwa otchere Trump ni say they be Ghana for no mpanyinfo no multi TV so kan na omom wase no kro mati ase because upia bad
interview so
upia very good upia bad demonstration na obeti ase o ba say o sra America for say omom fofori atamra nti esa na beboa no mo say nkrofo na ati ase o enti say nkane na ni German mpanyinfo omon kwa no munim ka we ntimpacho sa asem we you cannot say we there one do Germany debi demonstration e do so abra we so we no do jom because you need the per thousand yes we do it we do a demonstration it's calm one cause trouble it's just for the Americans to see say nipa how many thousands have come out say America for mo hwe na mo fofori atamra it's just that message say
we don't beba
yeah, I said Mugabe, hey, would you do any man? I said war general. War general, would do any man?
Accommodate.
Would double dose
900 million.
Excellent.
But when you move away from a year Ken Ofori Atta issue na fe ni yonko Asante Bediatuo to for say to what so Bokuna ba ene eye na yiri the conflict our hope for so many years kusasis ni eye the man produce who nsem no na yiri se wonye eye or reject sa otunfo mediation report no president so obe make sure say ene ma wo mun nyina no wajatum obe enforce dia na yehwehwe ni mose betimesi
yes me say Mugabe sa sem the complex one complex but so the point is that and I will say your man pay mama king it's not the first we will say the book admits that kura boku matter no e ho kura mitimi gina pinti e ka say o yemfama kusasi fo no na boku kru ho no ohene ne ye kusasi ni so it should be Azoka the second he's the until Akufo Addo kura kan na say aso nyamincha the president mama so ka the same thing inti ba still na yiri ka say so no ama adina ye complex ntina say this empanyfo corner na so and then engage him that's what I would say I would say yes I would say empanyfo engaging is no mo hwe what they can do no mo the year to year
I think that's if persuasion fails
but 100 year yen twintwen so yen man panyinfo engaging omo engaging sa by all means nipa ni sa send the nipa na eka nti I believe say with the proper engagement finally it yes ti nyina yen fa ya no ntum na kakra
and then 18th December 2025 Ghana for quarter aba 1 year money afi etwe money 1 year exactly 1 year ago ni expect say swearing in Ebebaso. Excellency John Dramani Mahamadu Bawumia, we are a citizen of this country as a legal practitioner, private legal practitioner, saying and I'll be assessing his performance so far 1 year in office on appointees near day.
Okay, and the way so come coincidentally and ura first anniversary 18th December
anymore yes let's ask anyone say mente e say ba just as you be awaji aban say won sama kwese you we ura team no
so digna attorney general kuramu dendende so in terms of performance there is clear say nyame so far so good so far so good inti ya bebo mabaso ni akase sla omunkoso nye ni also moye so that you nimu guase because he say obeba no say campaign time ye na mi gina mu say de bi entoma GM o ni passe Bawumia o ni passe Akufo Addo ne de inti say oye ni me nyina pepepe ma bibia koyia people like us will be happy because like I say I'm not NDC no I could see I was being objective so answer na anko here so already now say me ko Facebook the big crazy omo say da nye hwimu na amanfo dey say pebu na o see JM ye we the bia na amanfo target me but overall no, so far so very good inti ya best say mpanyinfo no omo koso anye me also omo ye they should do it pepepe yes answer Ghana for there. So said that difference about 1.7 million no in your NDC for they be say menka say NDC for nko so it's a mixture of even MP floating voters ni MPP inti mandate no so inti
appointed MPP for
excellent inti yenti me ka say oh ade we dey friends say NDC for nko victory they be say if you go into the books no you better to say MPP has about 45%, NDC about 45%, then the remaining 10% in a smaller parties no floating voters no yeah we be say political scientists ni na but 1.7 no ama adena adani so that tells you say MPP full be kahun number 2 ma a friend say President Mahama any floating voters ni inti esre pass or cause they should do it and do us proud and yes sir I mean we are the same people who suffer the backlash and it won't be good for our country so any person Ghana konkan pa Ghana konkan all right
appointees no much about saying so far
yeah generally so main funny say there are no scandals that's what we used to judge so once there are no scandals no nature say kuyi once there are no scandals except that Obisu twi adwe say oh aban bi aba first year no there generally kuyi that's the observe I have not studied it well but make I say mate 2-3 times so oh first year no there sir but near dey nim na doso nti the say ministers ne other leaders ne omu nya ne also omu ye they should stand steadfast and then make sure say by the end of the 4th year you say there won't be scandal. Well, to be honest in the society, once the wife be a mensa so we know what it means. Say mensa bakwa we understand. By company say fear be a mensa for the doors so in a way, we expect them to do well. So that Ghana, because when they do well, it's good for all
science be say as a change be about or minum. I mean, amount for more eba or market women ne or more motor would dream baby ano. Who say amount for how can it say bibi asesa enema boy for kakra am amount for the home commander.
Yes, there is this one at least I can testify to say a mobile abafom.
Good.
A mobile abafom. And which other food items? So say, yeah, me could but me kai a mono diano and oil, yes, the few other items abafom. And so say inflation abafom.
Sugar.
Yes, so generally, yes, it's true that in every country, yes, there will always be the issues of say, it's not a cost of living crisis,
Okay.
It didn't start here. It's all over, but yet no cost. Okay, I say by December 2022, now inflation grew 50%.
Yeah,
Let's say it grew 54%, and then they've worked and it came down. And since this government came down, it's been coming down. So I say here I was 6.3. 6.3. Oh, until a bump I say it will go down further, and then most especially the partner say, maybe it's me one of the programs are. The Mammy Japan and Kukon Kitten project. National service, some being full case here, and then Kukon Kitten Kitty, ama various citizens say, exactly, me, Akufo Addo Bano, that was the thing, also can say. You change the economy within 18 months. Yeah. That was one of the reasons I voted for only Bawumia.
What about Akufo Addo?
Akufo Addo, 2016 me metomano. Metomano because me I say me no usually no. Me yan say floating vote and say 8 years be yes some our president so me two mo be twice that Kufuor say me two man once but oba and I say na Kufuor this kind 2004 man to am me two man CPP best a good day that time it was a good day there be 2004 no say na NDC coin na chair internal visa say na Rollins atna so a chair na that time so me catch so Rollins wa more bra we say Kufuor ni lawyer there until by 2004 na still as animal the Dimitri say me see there be omo NDC in chair until 2008 na me to ma Akamils we say that time head to head obia ka say Akamils ye ni pass Akufo Addo until 2008 no ena metoma atame say
what to about say na your mama
this is my first time of voting for him. Yes 2012 man to man only me na me say obewini but still na me say men to man say be a the vote no be ba for me who say massa or say obojuma yiro ho because I imagine say me the vote nko kan na onya vote bi bra ni trimba ni de into 2012 man to amano
2020
2020 Akufo Addo e de bi 2020 man ko eno na covid mu ye man to kra because na no minim say sila Akufo Addo be wi ni but exactly no me feel so bit me wi ni say na obi so by 2021 no and I feel the movement me man titi me say e dey na cost you na me sha say dey be exactly say na me feel so obey you beat me yes na o witi onia akade kura Akufo Addo ya bon price me enyo man penyi otise Akufo Addo that no not again necessary dey yam pen okrum ha is retrogressor say tikwa ni bi kwa say you need the free presidents the list no mu no
what support that
anke be ya anka me pepper say anke be yin we see time for it we see time because obi a yes say hey we there we prepare we say those days asema no mo kan eto asunu pa ni say 2016 yes hey we lawyer Kukudam he's been prepared for 40 years we say those days na ya kan yes President Mama he's not been prepared for the office or accidental president won ko na nipa na ya titino for 40 years so ba be the president no aba ni akoto me Akufo Addo aje kenkwa
well lawyer Martin Bibo Ebrena yebe o ma say emfa we say at exactly 520 dey na the Ghana for na on Power 97.9 FM and TVS was it.
Yeah, so Mess Regana for say, no, what we should continue to do is say as citizens, so let's be engaged. All hands on deck. Nye say, oh, when you say page or no na said this on your baby. If citizens don't talk, citizens say MPA make us criticize we actually ni say near ultra esano so we have to come out in our numbers talk and then where there is support we are supporting maybe also criticize they are criticized we have to get engaged ujama politicians nko omuntimi it's when you have a vibrant citizenship okay or citizenry no we push ya ni makon can say
get a good result that
yes so let's all get involved.
Very well. That was lawyer Martin Pigwe.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.